John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take, and today I want to talk to you about the Brooklyn Collectors Club official model for 2022. Now you talk about tradition. They've had over 33 years of limited editions, closing in on 10,000 models that have graced our collection. You know how valuable they can be. Today I want to talk to you about the 50s. In particular we're going to talk about the 1955 Buick Century police car. But this came out of that whole car culture movement in the early 50s out on the West Coast. Hot rods were getting really popular. Guys had come home from the war with money in their pockets. They wanted to go faster. They wanted to build their own cars. And that was a fantastic thing. But you know, there were some bad guys who were watching that too. So the California Highway Patrol was looking for a car that could keep up with all of these modified cars. And they got with Buick, and let me tell you something, they made history. Buick made a 55 Century into a police cruiser. Now, the Century was already popular for being a mid-size car with a full-size car engine. They took the Special and they put the Roadmaster engine in it, and Buick just took that winning formula and added something that would become legendary maybe 30 years later. They put a cop motor in, cop tires, cop suspension, and cop shocks, and a legend was born. Now, you've probably seen the TV show with Broderick Crawford, and so you're familiar with that car. But the BCC has commissioned Brooklyn to make a faithful replica of the real deal CHP patrol car with authentic CHP livery. Now, there were only 270 of those made in 1/1. Half of them had manual, half of them had automatic. But you can order a 143rd white model, and we're probably going to make more than that from the BCC, but you have to be a member of the club in order to be eligible to order the car. Now, the price of the model is $180. That works out to right around $220 or so American at today's exchange rates, plus shipping. You can contact the club here. I'll have the address right here, or you can contact me and I'll put you in touch with the folks who can help you place the order. And you know, let's have some fun with this. I mean, Brooklyn has been doing a fantastic job with lensing, and you know, this is going to have the spotlights and all the really neat stuff on it. So join us. You know, we've got a lot coming down the pike. I've got a lot of news I want to share with you. But if you join us, you get a membership card. You'll get one of the magazines that come out periodically. They're a high-class, nice publication, keep you current with everything, and you get to be part of the Brooklyn community. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I'm looking forward to sharing the news that's coming up. Keep your eyes and ears open, and thanks for tuning in. You know, if you enjoyed the video, I'm going to ask you to click the like button down below. Love to have you a subscriber as well. As I've said before, the channel's growing and we're having a really good time with it. So thanks for listening to me. I hope you become a member of the BCC along with me. I look forward to sharing with you.